What if you held in a sneeze forever? When you sneeze, air shoots out at 160 kilometers per hour. Blocking that exit, the violent pressure slams inward. Pressure forces air into your ears, popping your eardrums. The tiny blood vessels in your eyes will burst. You will now look like a literal zombie. Keep doing it, and that trapped air can rip a hole straight through your lungs, causing them to collapse. Every breath will feel like being stabbed in the ribs. But the worst part? That insane pressure can rupture a blood vessel in your brain, causing a fatal stroke. So next time your nose tickles, just let it out. Don't die for manners. And hit that sub for more crazy scenarios.